Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for people to make money online. The concept is simple. You promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation, as companies get more sales and you get a cut of the profits. In this script, we will explore the basics of affiliate marketing for beginners. Before delving into the world of affiliate marketing, it's important to understand how it works. Essentially, you become an affiliate of a company and promote their products or services through various channels such as social media, blog posts, or email marketing. Each time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing has a low barrier of entry, making it a great opportunity for beginners. You don't need to have your own product or a large following to get started. By choosing the right products and targeting the right audience, you can earn a considerable income through affiliate marketing. Plus, it can be a passive source of income as you can continue to earn commissions from previous promotions. The key to successful affiliate marketing is finding the right products and programs to promote. Do your research and choose products or services that align with your niche or audience. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Remember, you want to promote products that you believe in and that will provide value to your audience. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to have a solid strategy in place. This includes choosing the right products, understanding your target audience, and creating compelling content to promote the products. It's also important to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. With the right strategy, you can maximize your earnings and build a successful affiliate marketing business. While affiliate marketing can be a great opportunity, there are some rules and guidelines that you should follow. Make sure to disclose that you are using affiliate links in your promotions, only promote products that you have actually used or researched, and avoid spamming your audience with constant promotions. By following these do's and don'ts, you can maintain a positive reputation and increase your chances of success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative opportunity for beginners looking to make money online. By understanding how it works, finding the right products and programs, and developing a solid strategy, you can earn a considerable income through affiliate marketing. Remember to always be transparent with your audience and only promote products that you truly believe in. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business.